Welcome to this inviting 5-bedroom rambler offering a modern and open concept design perfect for comfortable living. This home offers a multitude of updates, including new shingles in 2023, a new furnace in 2021, and a new water heater added in 2022. In 2023, new windows and entry doors were installed. The kitchen underwent a stylish remodel in 2022, featuring soft close drawers and cabinets, gleaming stainless steel appliances, and elegant granite countertops that elevate the space. Enjoy the ease of main floor laundry and a large main floor primary bedroom complete with a walk-in closet. Entertain or unwind in the generous lower-level family room and step through the 8 patio door off the living room to discover a spacious backyard adorned with mature trees and plants, with the convenience of a well for watering the lush grass, and appreciate the